Inrotech has introduced a whole new and unique robot welding solution for heavy industry. Inrotech's mobile welding robot, designed to weld inside the double-bottom hull on big cargo vessels and tankers, has challenged the traditional robot welding solutions, where the robot's a stationary unit and the welding part is mobile. The robots are transferred between the supply platforms in the production by the gantry cranes or on the interconnecting transport rails. This enables the robots to be used in a large production area without creating a bottleneck in the assembly line. Inrotech solutions do not exclusively focus on the solving of specific tasks, but aim towards an improvement of the associated production area as a whole. The robots are inserted in the double-bottom hull through manholes measuring 60 by 80 centimeters. They're supplied with power, CO2, fresh air and ventilation pipes for fume extraction from the supply platforms which are part of the project. These supplies from the platforms and the transporting system are not only used for the robots, but will also help the shipbuilders and improve their working environment. The robots can be handled by one operator, who by means of an integrated crane lowers the robot down into the hull where it's operational within a very short time. The user interface also differs radically from traditional robot operation philosophy. Simple menus guiding the operator through a few simple choices are the main reason for the system's international recognition. No infinite program codes need to be understood or adapted. The simplicity of the system makes it easily usable for everybody in a few minutes. The robot has the necessary intelligence built in to enable it to identify the welding tasks without any input from the operator, thus minimizing the operator's chance for making mistakes and eliminating the need for detailed knowledge of robot operation. Through low technological sensors and intelligent programming, it's been possible to create a welding robot that meets the demands for higher productivity, simplicity and quality, whilst at the same time minimizing operator time. The robot monitors the welding process and is capable of identifying a welding error and terminating the welding in due time. The system is developed in cooperation with Odense Shipyard, where it's been in operation until the closure of the yard in 2010. The system has also been sold to a Japanese shipyard, which has chosen to introduce this robot technology with a mobile Inrotech welding application for wing tank panels. The robot moves from one welding task to the other on a simple modularized rail that can be extended as needed. It moves around obstacles and is capable of welding without operator intervention as long as welding jobs are within reach. The robot is able to measure individual tasks very accurately and has therefore no need of knowing the measurements or tasks involved in advance. Inside the double bottom, the robot can weld up to 1 to 1.5 hours without operator intervention and does the work of up to 2 welders. One operator is able to operate 1 to 4 robots at a time, depending on the accessibility of the working area. The robot is able to trace the welding seam through the arc process, thus minimizing the risk for welding errors. The number of welding passes as well as seam size can be adapted in a simple manner and optimized for each task as needed. At Odense Shipyard, an additional welding application for welding brackets on the wing tank of bulk carriers was developed. The system was based on the same principles as the double-hull robots: simple user interface, intelligent design and high reliability. Here, one man operates 2 robots and is able to perform the work of 3 to 4 welders. The welding quality speaks for itself. Inrotech is not only focused on economy, working environment and efficiency, but also takes pride in providing quality in both product and result. For further information, visit our homepage www.inrotech.com. We're looking forward to hearing from you.